Yeah, we are live now. I think we are live now. So, students. Hi, students, and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh, and today I'm going to share my experience. So, from last, I think 4 years, I am into credit officer level exams. I'm teaching for specialist officer for RBI grade B. I have taught for Vijaya Bank credit officer, the Bank of Baroda, wealth management, the Bank of India, the Union Bank of India credit officer exams, and even for the Central Bank of India. From last many years, I'm teaching for credit officer level exams, and this year I've already done the RRBs. All India topper was from our batch. We got, I think, 34, 35 selections, final selections. So today I'm going to share my experience with you, the kind of questions that you are going to find in that actual exam of Indian Bank SO Credit. There are a lot of, useless websites available on internet. They don't know it. Most of them don't know anything about it. So right now I'm trying to solve all the doubts regarding the professional knowledge syllabus of credit, right? IBPS SO credit, especially this video that I'm doing right now, it is for the credit officer post, the assistant manager and manager. My name is Raman, and still if there is any doubt in your mind, you can always WhatsApp me 906720100. That is my WhatsApp number. It is 0. So you can divide that. I'm talking about the professional knowledge section because that's where most of you are doubtful. That's the thing where most of you are having doubts. So my job is to solve all your doubts regarding this exam. That's what I'm doing here. That's what I'm making this video, right? So let's just start with the theoretical section. What kind of questions that you can expect in the exam. So various committees related to banking, the Bimal Jalan, Tapan, all those committees that are directly related to banking. And the latest committees are most important. I have already done a lecture on this, already ek kar chuka hu. The government schemes related to banking, all the schemes, Jandan Yojana, Mudra, all those schemes that are the interest subvention scheme, the latest abhi aayi hai, the gold monetization scheme, the sovereign gold bond scheme, all those latest schemes related to banking are very, very important for the exam. The latest RBI guidelines, I mean, it's every month there are 5 to 6 guidelines by RBI for RRBs, for NBFCs, for payment bank, for commercial bank. There are a lot of guidelines every month, 4 to 5 guidelines. Please go through last 1 year of guidelines. There are hardly 50 to 60 guidelines. On my course, I am doing Indian Bank SO credit course. For one guideline, there is hardly 5 minutes of video. 5 minutes of video. So within 5 to 6 hours, you can cover all the RBI guidelines, which is very important. And it's really important for the interviews as well. Interview के लिए भी बहुत important है. Little थोड़ा सा time लेगा. Now this one is the easy job. The taglines of bank, the headquarters of bank, the CEOs of bank, very, very important, very easy, still very important. Unexpected questions for many of you. ये सोचा नहीं होता ये आएगा लेकिन आ जाता है. The priority sector lending is very, very important, such an important topic. The priority sector lending, the latest topics related to priority sector and the export policy, very, very important, the exim policy. The latest mobile, this one is most important. The latest mobile apps, latest products by bank, you need to understand those products, right? The chairman of important organizations related to financial industry, let's say SEBI, chairman of SEBI, the chairman of RBI, NABARD. You should know them, right? NABARD, IBBI. You should know the names, the latest names. MOUs by banks, very important. MOU of Union Bank with e-marketplace. You should know about them. The latest list of MOUs by the banks. Okay. Union Budget 2020-2021, the latest budget, I have already done a video on that. That's also very important. Loans by international organizations to various Indian states for the developmental projects, the infrastructure projects. एक आध क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. Important awards, honors, very, very important. Mutual fund is an important topic again. Mutual fund is a very important topic. The taxation, various tax exemptions. In the general awareness, there is a GST collection of various states. The highest top grossing GST state. I mean, from which state the maximum collection is. There is maximum collection. The export policy, very important. And from the numericals. The break even point, very important, at least one question. And money market, capital market, thoda uska ye theoretical ka. And I forgot about the derivatives. The derivatives are really important, derivatives topic. And this one includes all that calculation of beta, the CA, PM and all these topics are part of it. Okay, तो ये याद रखिए. In the numericals, money market, capital market, break-even point is very important. Very easy topic, but very important. The cost of capital, most of the time you will find a question regarding the weighted average cost of capital, or what is the cost of redeemable preference shares. Such questions will be there. The capital budgeting is very important. The basic methods, IRR. Although if calculator is required for certain questions cannot be solved without using calculators. You won't find such questions in the exam. ऐसे questions paper में नहीं आएंगे जिसमें ऐसे लिखा जैसे ये calculate कर रहा है ऐसा कुछ है तो ये नहीं आएगा. So depreciation very important, very easy, very important. The types of depreciation and numericals इसके जो है very important. You may have to calculate it. The ratio analysis is also very important. There are 16 ratios. Yesterday I did a lecture on ratio analysis, a proper demo lecture I have done. The time value of money is again very important. The rule of 72, 114, 142 normally asked. Capital structure is again very important topic, right? Dividend decision, not very important, but many times I have seen one question from this topic. Leverage is very important. One question guarantee hai. One question you will find it from this particular topic. And then from our FM, we make a digest. From our digest, you will find at least four to five questions from last 3 months of digest. If you go through last 6 months of digest, you will find 10 to 15 questions. 10 plus questions you will find from our digest only, the banking and financial awareness digest. So I have already started full-fledged classes for Indian Bank SO credit officer. You can get all the video classes, notes, quizzes, test series, live sessions. All the links are available in the description. You can directly go to bankexamstoday.com, bankexamstoday.com, and you can join my course. I can assure you that there will be a much better chance of the selection after going through this course. I have already done the classes for RRB. These are the students who use the content provided by me, who have gone through my course. And All India topper, she was from our batch, and all these students, they were all from our batch only. They finally got selected. The Bank of Baroda Wealth Management, the IBPSSO Marketing, the Vijaya Bank Credit Officer. These are the latest results from last 6 months. So I'm really proud of my students, these gems, right? And I want you to be part of this success journey, right? So if there is any doubt in your mind, you can always WhatsApp me. Let me just give you my number, 9067201000. That's my WhatsApp number. Just if there is any doubt, you can always WhatsApp me your doubts. Okay, so that's all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. If there is any doubt, you can always ask your doubts in the comment section. I think yes. Still, if there is any doubt regarding your eligibility criteria and all, just make a comment. I'll answer all your comments. Okay, just make a comment in the comment section regarding the eligibility criteria or so. I'll answer it. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Please follow me on Telegram. I'm sharing a lot of interesting material, useful material for IBP, for Indian Bank SO 2020 for the credit officer. The link for my Telegram channel is available on the description. A lot of free study material is also available on bankexamstoday.com. Subscribe my channel and like this video. That's really important for you. So have a nice day. If you need this PPT, I'm uploading it on Telegram. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day.